Introducing Optimum Power Clean, the all-purpose cleaner that's powerful, yet environmentally safe. It's engineered with special polymers and emulsifiers to effortlessly break down tough contaminants with minimal agitation. Now you can use it full strength to remove bugs, paint contamination, break dust, and oily grime from even the dirtiest surfaces. You can dilute it for gentle cleaning on leather, vinyl, and interior plastics, leaving your dashboard and trim seats spotless. Need to clean an engine bay, remove some old dressing, or wipe spills off leather? Power Clean handles it all, from interiors to exteriors and everything in between. This multi-purpose cleaner isn't just for cars. It's perfect for boats, RVs, and motorcycles too. It replaces dozens of specialty cleaners, saving you time and space on the shelf. It's brought to you by the trusted manufacturer of Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine, located in Memphis, Tennessee. When you need a cleaner for any job, reach for Optimum Power Clean, your all-in-one solution for powerful yet safe cleaning.